Everything is going to be okay. I am safe. I am loved. I am loving. I am free to be me. This is a temporary state that will change. I am actively working on changing my pain patterns. Every decision I make is a choice between a grievance and a miracle. I let go of grievances and choose the miracle of love. In my heart, I feel love. I'm returning to my heart and finding my way back home to my center. Stress and anxiety are part of life, but they are not bigger than life. I will move through these feelings. I'm capable of finding my way through this darkness into brightness. I have the strength and support to get through anything life presents to me. I am smart, resourceful, and look for the humor in every situation. This will pass. I have survived things like this before, and I will again. I allow this to pass through me, and I trust life with an open heart. I forgive myself and others, as I prefer to be harmonious in relationship than be righteous and solitarily stubborn. There is humor if I look for it. Everything is okay. Life is mysterious, and I trust this will turn into something better than I could ever have imagined. If things were always perfect, life would be boring. I appreciate all the colors, flavors, and moods that life is offering me. I open to the blessings and wisdom as I released fear and suffering. I choose the miracle of love. I choose the miracle of love. This love.